On today's video, I have to share with you what I got in my March Premium and Luxe box. The base box was awesome for the month of March. Hopefully my both boxes will be the same. This is probably the Boxy Premium for the month of March. I didn't pick, I don't know what is it inside, but I have seen several unboxings. I have some idea. Oh yeah, this is the Premium because it's blue inside. So we have the card, have the variation 41A, 214A. Sorry, so this is the variation. If you don't know, guys, Boxycharm has 3 layers of boxes. They have the base box, and you might have already seen that video, but I'm thinking to make a poll and let you guys pick which one of the videos you want to see first. So this might be actually the first video that you might see. If it is so, you already know that I have a awesome March base box, and they have the Premium. So the base box retails for $25 US plus tax. Then the Premium retails for $35 US plus tax. And if you upgrade, you get quarterly the Luxe box. I got this bougie kit, Caprice Illuminating Eye Serum and Primer plus Shimmer Palette Set. So this makes the value of the box be so high. So you have here a nice heart. Okay, so I think most of the people got this. Did you know this is a eye serum and primer? Cool. So I suppose it will work for your lids. Duh, if it's a primer. We have to test that. I don't know. And this is the palette. It's all shimmery palette. So it's kind of neutral, but I will not pay for sure $145 to have this set. Yeah, this is the first product. And the Boxy Premium, guys, the Boxycharm Premium contains 6 products, and you can customize 2, I believe, even though I was able to customize only 1, I think. And speaking about that, this is the actual product that I was able to customize. So this is by Too Faced, and this is the Hangover RX Proactive Nourishing Primer, Replenishing Face Primer, that retails for $35. This revolutionary makeup primer is infused with coconut water, probiotic-based ingredients, and skin revivers that work together to boost skin radiance, promote elasticity, and help hydrate while locking down makeup for a fresh, longer, more flawless wear. Ooh, it actually looks like a cream. Smells as a coconut. Actually love the coconut scent. We shall test it. I have to do a video testing all the products that I got on those boxes because I have a lot of things to test. Okay, the next thing that I've seen everyone got is this Diva London eye brush set. That is also quite pricey, so this retails for $48. I actually love the packaging, and I think it's really nice for travel, but it's also nice if you want to give it someone as a gift. So I will probably do that because I have a lot of brushes, 4 brushes, and orange handle. Nice. They are definitely really soft, and I think they are going to blend your eyeshadow really nice. So I have a second thought of thinking to pass them along, especially because I don't have this funky color. I won't lie that they look quite cheap. I don't think that anyone will, with a normal sense of value, will pay $49 US for this set. But again, getting it in box makes it worth. So yeah, 4 brushes. Next I have the House Laboratories. What is this? This is the brand of Lady Gaga. Now I remember that Jackie Naturals also got this. And by the way, she also did a battle of the boxes for the month of March. Premium versus Luxe. So if you want to see what she got after you watch this video, go ahead and check her channel. I will link her video down below. So this is House Laboratories RIP lip liner that retails for $16 and point. I have the shade. Okay, so maybe, I don't know, maybe one time when I will get my boxes earlier, maybe Jackie and I could do a collab on Battle of the Boxes. Look guys, I don't know, I have so many neutral liners that I think I'm not going to keep it, even though I don't have anything from this brand. This is a nice packaging and I'm really into keeping it, but I have similar liners like this, so I don't know. And it's a bit too nude for me. So I like lip liners to have a bit of a color. Like for example is the Bel Air one from Dior Cosmetics. That one has a bit of a color. So I think I'm going to keep it aside. The next product that I have is a Tarte mascara. I'm actually testing a mascara that I'm going to review for you maybe by the end of the week, but you might see this video after that, so in that case I will link it down below. So I have a new mascara and I'm really excited about that. I'm wearing it today, but yeah, I'm not going to tell you which one is the mascara. So I have this on the shade Black. I think this is the second Tarte mascara that I have. So I have another one that I haven't opened. I think it's the Tarte Taste that I got last month. But I have heard people are really loving this, so I'm so tempted to open it. I don't know what to do. Because if I open it and don't use it, then it will affect the quality, so I don't want to do that. And the last product that I got for the premium box for the month of March is this Rowan Beauty Kiss My Liquid Lip Balm. And this retails for $26. So I think I have just found that I have another lip balm by Rowan in my collection. They might be even the same shade. Found it. The one that I have, it's on the shade Charlie. Yeah, and oh yeah, so yeah, this is the one that I had at home. So this is going to be for the giveaway, the one that I just got, because this one is also not used. This is everything I got on this Boxycharm Premium for the month of March. To be honest, I'm not that impressed with this box. I think the value of the box, it might be high, but the products inside are not so exciting, excepting this one, the primer that I picked, and the mascara. I don't know if it continues to be like this for the next couple of months. I might end up canceling the premium and trying other subscription. I am excited for the Boxy Luxe. She's so heavy, she's over 3 pounds. So I've seen people who are also getting this box in the white with green. Mine is the standard black with white. Doesn't matter, the most important is what is it inside. And this retails for $49.99, and every 3 months this box it's upgrading your base box. So it was on March, the next one it will be on June, and inside it's black. I think from my point of view it should be like golden. This is the leaflet, which is bigger. It's like mother and child, because you get 8 products. And the first product that is on the top, everybody and their neighbor who got this box, they got the Barbarella eyeshadow palette, which I don't know if I'm going to keep it again. I have so many palettes. So this is by B Beauty London, Barbarella palette. So actually the packaging, it's nice, but the palette's a bit large, and it reminds me, even though I don't have, about the Tati Beauty palette, that she also has a large palette. So yeah, not that I have something against that, but I have a single problem with this kind of palettes. They are so big that I don't have so much space for storage, so I will have to put it somewhere else and forget about it. So that's the only problem. But I'm not so sure that I'm going to give it, because it has a lot of neutral shades, and I love neutral for the most part. And of course this pop of color, this blue. So yeah, Not swatching anything because I have not decided yet. Next, we have everything covered with this stuff. Yay, I got what I wanted. I wanted one thing, the beauty eggs. Yes, yes. Thank you, Lord. I'm obsessed with beauty sponges. Such a nice presentation. Also have chickens. Oh, come on. This is so sweet. And I have 6 beauty sponges. So they have the exact size, probably a bit smaller than the beauty blender, the original one are, but they seem to be a different type of material. So it's not that spongy. But other than that, I think I'm going to love it, and they cannot go wrong. Cooked up with your own mind. Blending eggs were uniquely created to fit in the palm of your hand for seamless blending. Blending eggs will be your new favorite tool for eggs traditionally carrying that's hard to beat. The next product, it's really heavy. Oh my god, this made my box weigh so much, and I paid so much for shipping. Not only because of this, but I had, guys, 13.5 pounds of weight. And probably because I kept all the boxes. If I would have chosen to remove everything from the box, probably I could have reduced for at least 1 or 2 pounds, but no, I wanted to have all the boxes, so now I paid for it a lot. So this is by Rose Plus Quartz Hair Mask. Ooh, she's white. And she smells divine. She smells like roses. So if you don't like roses, you will not like this, but I love roses. Actually, I wasn't thinking that it will be so big. And reminds me about something. Look, this is the actual texture that is on my hand. It's a hair stuff, right? So let's put it on the hair. Your touchstone of hair products, the Rose Plus Quartz Hair Mask, suits a spectrum of needs with 0% sulfate, sodium chloride, parabens, PEGs or phthalates. It suits all hair types. Vegan and certified cruelty-free. Made with love in the USA. And I remember Jessica from Everything Beauty, she said that she got a completely full Boxy Luxe cruelty-free, and I think she also got the premium. So yeah, they are stepping up their game, and they're making most of their boxes to be cruelty-free. Okay, the next product that I have, it's also by Dominique Cosmetics. This is a creamy feel defined lip liner in the shade Crush. I don't have anything from this brand. It's a retractable, and it's in the shape of a triangle. It seems to be my type of color, and it's so nice and creamy. Okay, the next product. I cannot be that lucky. This is the Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Serum. And this is concentrated formula in your go-to serum for plump, radiant skin. This silky water gel serum features a unique blend of 3 types of plum, hyaluronic acid, and vegan collagen. The formula contains 5 weights of hyaluronic acid to target different layers of the skin for deep hydration. This retails for $42 US. I think, if I'm not wrong, Mel C, she got this, and she said that it's amazing. I will link her video because she did not long ago a video, and she was speaking about some Glow Recipe products. She has a review of this product. I remember this cute bottle, and it's coming with a pump, so looking forward to trying it. The box is getting better and better. The next product, it's one of my picks, and this is a Fenty Beauty foundation. This is Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. So funny, I'm just uploading today a foundation review for a Essence foundation that is also a longwear foundation, so I shall do a comparison. I got the shade 150, and also I have heard that it oxidizes, but I'm sure it will match me. So guys, let me know if you want a review for this foundation. I know that Fenty Beauty has a new foundation that I'm thinking to get it, but meanwhile I can also review this one. One more thing, and then I will show you the other pick. So this is the AMNH Skincare Kiss the Stars 24 Karat Gold Lip Plumping Mask. So this is a biodegradable glitter star lip plumping mask. Will moisturize and nourish your lips. Expect a tingling sensation and softer kissable lips, and retails for $42. I don't know, guys, if I'm going to pay so much for this type of product. It has a minty scent, where from probably is coming the tingling. I'm going to try it and I will probably report back. But yeah, not upset that I have it. And the last product from the Boxy Luxe box for the month of March is the most expensive product. Is the Soleil Hair Tools, the mini heat brush that retails for $150. So the Soleil mini heat brush is perfect for on-the-go styling and touch-ups. It's as powerful and easy to use as a full-size tool, but compact enough to carry with you everywhere you go. Now guys, if you believe me, this was one of the reasons that I decided on February to upgrade my box to Boxy Luxe. When I've seen this pic, I said that I want to have this on my life. So it's coming with a pretty large cord, I will say, and also you have here the switch on and off. It looks like that. Let's try to see if it's working. I cannot test it because I have a problem. The actual plug-in is the American one, so I need to find the adapter. I think my husband has one of these because he has all the kind of techie stuff in his stash. So this is everything. This is my Boxy Luxe box for the month of March. So on today's Battle of the Boxes video between Boxycharm Premium and Boxy Luxe for the month of March, it's even need to tell you which one is my favorite. For sure you might tell that I'm in love, I'm over the moon with the Boxy Luxe. I do not regret that I upgraded, and hopefully the June one will be as amazing as this one because I really love. I will pop on the screen the total value of both boxes, and yeah, let me know if you get Boxycharm, or if you see this video you are interested to get it. Don't forget, wherever you are on the world and you want to get those boxes, now it's possible because there are a lot of shipping forwarding companies that are doing this service for you, because Boxycharm does ship only in the US and Canada.